online privacy for your open source operating system with the NordVPN app for Linux. NordVPN encrypts your online traffic, changes your IP address, and shuts your ISP's eyes if it might be trying to monitor your internet connection. The NordVPN app is designed with your experience in mind, giving you features like Auto Connect, automated kill switch, and threat protection. It's also compatible with all major Linux distributions. Here's how you set up the NordVPN Linux app and its features. To start using the app, download the NordVPN Linux client. You can do this in two ways. Just bear in mind that you will need to get a subscription. The first way is to get it from the Snap Store. The second way is by opening the terminal and writing this command. If you don't have a curl package, use this command. If things aren't going your way and the permission is denied, just write this command and reboot your device. Now all you have to do is log in. Just type in NordVPN login. After you log into your Nord account, type NordVPN Connect. When connected, you can explore unique NordVPN features like threat protection that will shield your device from online threats like intrusive ads, malicious domains, and trackers based on DNS filtering. Another crucial feature is Kill Switch, which protects your digital data from accidental exposure. It will simply block your internet access if your VPN connection drops. Finally, Auto Connect ensures your VPN connection is established automatically when you connect to any network. And that's not all. There are more NordVPN commands that will make your VPN experience a smoother ride. To get extensive explanations of all commands, type in man NordVPN. Stay safer online with NordVPN.